To you too. I'm working on that day, baby. Don't you hate when you go to the gas station and see some shit up on your damn car? One is it yours or not? Like, damn, was that there already? It hit this highway, man. It hit this highway. It hit this highway. God, y'all don't fight loud. Woo-wee. I'll fight louder than a mug, boy. I don't fight too loud. I like that, you too. I make it more, yeah. Not this weekend. Next weekend, about 2 more weekend after that big. That's too loud. Been a good 80, man. Yo, what it do, YouTube? You know it's your boy Perk, baby. Snowfall Hall, Blue Ice Hauler, man. Back at the muffler shop, man. That T? That chump? That chump? Boy, I know you ain't passed me up. It's probably your wife driving. Yeah, man, at the muffler shop, baby. Back at the muffler shop, man. Ooh, my cap, I looked up. My cap be here tomorrow. Ooh. Cause I hate that look. Cap be here tomorrow. Yeah, I'm back in the muffler shop. Y'all know where I got them. What's the name? I had to cut my pipes on. Now I gotta get my pipes put back on because I don't know how people ride with dumps. And mine ain't dump. Mine going straight back. But I don't see how they ride with that. Man, that is too loud. That thing is shaking my bed. I got an interstate, but I thought something about behind me. Yeah, I was looking one though. If I can change some hanger right slightly, I just have to see the height on it. Yeah, we might have to shorten the hanger or something. You know, kind of get it up a lot higher, make on your clearance. Is all since you kind of got it lower. Clearance you got. How'd you do that? Reverse it? Yeah, we gonna call it. Yep. Yeah, that's a talking that boy. All right. Still got to adjust a little bit. All right. Yeah, man. I don't see how y'all ride around with them dumps. Oh my God. I got on the interstate, man. Got down on me. I looked behind me, thought something about behind me. Man, that is too loud. But yeah, I got everything. Gotta get them pipes back on. Get my cap. You the door hinges and the grill. You bet I already paid my dude. I already paid him the deposit to paint it. I did that frame out. Then my homeboy said he supposed to bring here. I hope we bring here this weekend. He bring here this weekend, boy. It's a wrap. I'll get my hand and adjust these frames again. Oh, I'm gonna adjust these frames. I gotta get this right. See, R. You got an R. See that side there. See that side there high, man. That's them listening to higher than this. Y'all see, look. You see how much space that one got? I can put 2 fingers in that one. Oh, my wife can kill me. That side there? Why like that? Why that side there lower? I don't know if it's a spring or what. Okay, way to go. Let's see. One. That's one. 1, 2. Put that on 4. Yeah, YouTube, I gotta look at that. See that? Like that, I'm gonna send to my guy too, man. Let me dial back, YouTube. Back up, baby. Hey, my thing now, pipe. You may bend a little bit more. Hey. Man, y'all look at it. Look at it. Look how much room I got right now. Hey, look at that one. Look at that. Why is it like that, y'all? Why is one side farther down than the other? I don't know if I'm for the carpet and speak. Looking good, baby. That's the same. Man, what I'm up to that right now. Should be ready today. Damn, he dropped that down. My baby back. Is she back? You gonna pull that motherfucker off? I like. I don't know how y'all ride ride like that. I don't know how y'all ride with that motherfucker. Cut off right there. Ain't no way. So hit straight interstate. Go play my motherfucking number. Excuse my language. Go play my number. And use the same pipe. Ooh, don't she look good back there, boy? That's fine. Oh, that sound a whole lot better. That thing was loud, boy. Yeah, I liked it. I got lower control on. Oh, he's back on, baby. I done looked on UPS. My front cap don't come into Monday. That's how you supposed to sound, boy. Don't spend tech. Put on out of there. Look at them brake light, boy. That truck gonna be stankin' when I get through with it, boy. God, that rocket look good. Except that front. Alright, you blow it up, motherfucker, you gonna pay for it. You gonna pay the man. Go on, baby. I done looked on UPS. My front cap don't come into Monday. That's how you supposed to sound, boy. Don't spend. Put on out of there. Look at them brake light, boy. Ooh, that truck gonna be stankin' when I get through with it, boy. God, that rocket look good. Except that front. Alright, you blow it up. You know what it is, man. It's your boy Snowfall Hall, Blue White Ice Hauler. Ice Hauler is back from the Muffler shop. Dude got me right. I didn't have to get no more pipe. All he did is weld it together. Charged me a good $60. You can get that, buddy. So shout out my boy 72 Motorsport for cutting the pipes off right so I can put them right back on. He just had to bend them down so they can fit on my, so they can fit over. Let y'all see, y'all probably see. Bad boy. But yeah, if it pull up, baby. Put your head to the wall. Do you hear that cracking sound? Drown in the tub. I got these stickers, man. Limited edition. I'm thinking about putting them right here, man. My baby oil, man. Yes, sir. Subscribe YouTube. Don't have make those videos. I'll just drop one video. Yeah, YouTube. So I still need just the shocks on it. I ain't got that right where I want it. I'm about to ask somebody because man, I can't figure it out for nothing. But yeah, only thing left on ice hauler is crack that. Crack, man, I had a crack on that rod. Man, y'all see that? Man, I cracked it. Tighten up too tight. No ain't ordering that one though. But I see this a hater. So the only thing I need now is dough pins. That's it. I already paid dude. I'm just waiting him to tell me he gonna come get it. So I can get it sprayed. But it's crazy though, man. Y'all see this? Why one side I always have more room than the other side? It's on my cutter like that. This side here is closer. Dang. Dirty one, that one. This side that's closer than the patio side. I'm not ready to more though too, man. Hit it sometimes. Hit it. It be hitting sometimes. Yeah, YouTube. All I need now is dough pins and maybe a new grill. And dude, if we come get it, when baby come get it, y'all see I got a dent here. But I got two brand new fenders. Not brand, I got two fenders look better than these. Same color as that. So let them take that with them. Hey man, you want them fenders, you can take it. Yeah, YouTube, over and out, baby. Let me fire ice hot, blue ice up though, man. I'm gonna fire her up. See how she still running right.